Hello there. Today, we're going to explore the 3 ways to join a Kahoot game. You can join using the game pin, via a link, or by scanning a QR code. Firstly, the host must start the game to allow players to join by clicking Host Live and then Start button. Here's how the host's screen looks. You can see the game pin and the QR code displayed here. To join via the game pin, simply navigate to Kahoot.it or open our mobile app and tap Join. You will then be prompted to provide the game pin. If the host has the player identifier option in their plan and it's enabled, you may be asked to provide additional information, such as your email. This won't be visible during the game. Only the host will have access to the identifiers in the generated report. Next, you will need to provide your nickname. If the nickname generator is enabled, you will be able to choose from one of the generated nicknames. If this feature is disabled, you can type your own nickname. Players can also join via a link. The host can generate this link by clicking on the pin in the game lobby. This action automatically copies a direct link to the game, which can then be shared via group chat, email, or any other preferred method. As you can see, there's no need to type the game pin this time. The link takes you directly to the game. The third way to join is via the QR code. To do this, players will need the Kahoot app. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code with your device's camera, and you will be redirected to the Kahoot app or website. The host can enlarge the QR code to make it easier for players to scan. Remember, you don't need an account to join Kahoot games. All you need is a device with a supported web browser or our mobile app. That's all. This is how you can join a Kahoot game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!